Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope y'all are doing great. I am here to do an unboxing of the Unity Kit of the Month Club. This one is for November, so you're seeing it at the end of December. We do 1 month ahead of time. I do want to say that today is November 7th, and I got it fairly early, but I do want to admit that when I got the bill, which was like today or yesterday, I was like, let me take a quick sneak peek, and I was not thrilled. Since we had been doing this collaboration, I just want to be upfront and open. I'm less inclined about kits than I have ever been. Now, will I keep getting this for a while? Only because the benefits of the club are pretty decent. At least for the rest of the year, I guess I'll keep the subscription. I am wondering what December will bring. I am thinking it's probably going to be some Valentine's Day stuff, but who knows? So, anyway, this is how it looks. Nothing too, but it's some cute stuff on here. I will tell you that I do like trees. I probably did a few trees, and we only have three, well, four sentiments. May you find joy and peace this Christmas. Merry, peace, and joy. Four words. Four sentiments. I don't know how I feel about that. You let me know in the comment section how you feel about it. But here's what you get. Each month you get a free gift automatically sent with your kit. You get $6.95 off your orders all month long. So if you buy something, let's say you make two purchases, $6.95 up to $45, it is you get $6.95 off. I want to say that I think they used to have free shipping at some point, but I don't know if that's true. Don't misquote me on that one. So let's look at our quote unquote free gift. I do want to go on a record and say that if you're buying something, it's not free. You pay for it. I said it every time. It's not free. Uh, so you get this nice bag. You get this cute ornament. So you could trace this and make more, right? You got some jute, baker's twine. And I'm not a rope uh, ribbon jute person. I've been trying to get better at it, but I am not. So this is, if you are into that, that's great. It says, never could I breathe love if I did not first learn to inhale a little bit of chaos. Christopher Point Dexter. Okay. Then you got a tag. Get half a dolly. This Christmas card thing, and you get some acetate, and you get a envelope, two envelopes. I don't know if that was a mistake or not. I feel like it probably was. So I got two envelopes, two pieces of acetate, this little piece of card, this half a dolly, one tag, this cute little sentiment, two different types of twine, and a wood veneer. This is my free gift for $42. I think that's what you would get if you were paying it. Um, I don't know how much it is now because mine I'm grandfathered into the program. But you see right here where it says past kits only $34. They used to be 26, so I think that's also another reason why I'm staying in because I can still, since I'm grandfathered, I'm supposed to get the grandfathered in price. So here we go. Now this don't say joy. This is a tag that they just pulled out of the air. Yeah, because this says joy right here. This says joy right here, and it says may you find joy and peace this Christmas. But right here, these little pieces are from a different situation. I want to say I don't know when they gave this to us, but this is not in our, yeah, it's not in there. So it says Festive Flair. It's called Joy for Deer. And what they used were scallop circles, seasons of definition, ephemera. I don't think we got this, so I would have to go and find that to see. Maybe it's on the website for free. And it just shows you how to assemble all the pieces. And then on the other side, you get joy, which this right here is really cool. And I like this pine cone. and it just shows you how to do it. So they made this, which is really cool, which is this plaid thing, and I'm so nervous that it's not going to work because over the time, a lot of their background stamps have not worked for me. It could just be operator error, but who knows? And this looks like they did a stamp and they fussy cut this out, which is really cool, and they just place it on. So I like this. Am I going to case this? Probably not, but it's really cool. And so then we have our actual stamp set. Now these stamps are big. Big, 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 big. Even the sentiments are huge. Look at this. This sentiment roughly is, I don't want to pull them out because lately I've been pulling them out and losing them. So Mary is roughly 2 1/4 by probably half an inch. Yeah, so that's pretty big for sentiments. And then you get this humongous snowflake. So if I could do snowflakes in, what is that word? Embossing, that would be really cool. And we get this Christmas tree. I love this Christmas tree. This is a little sleeper set, I think. This could be a sleeper situation because this is what they gave us right here. Then you get these Christmas lights, which is also very cool. The Christmas lights you can put around invitation. And then if you remember last month or month before last, we had some stockings. These little hats and stockings will go good together. And then we got these pine cones. I feel like they double dipped on the pine cones, but it's okay. Then we get this winter wisp, and then with these trees. These trees I really like. It's not like a use it, but it's definitely not a snooze it. But you'll see tomorrow what I create. I will say that it's not one of those, oh my God, this is amazing kit, but at the same time, it's not a bad one. So we will see what comes of this. I have pieces, coordinated pieces from other stamp sets, other companies that will grow great. And I really want to try and make some background, of course, right? With, I said I won't take it out, but some background with this. But I want to do some embossing, so I have to pull out. I'll probably have to make another run to the craft store and get some embossing ink or figure that out, and then use that because I really like it. I really like it. I want to try it with some white. I have a few different embossing, and even if I was into wasting it, I could stamp this out in some paint, or I could stamp this out with some of that. What is it called? I can't think of the word right now, but modeling paste, mold paste. I don't know what it's called, but where they stamp it out, but then you ruin your stamp. So I don't want to ruin it, but these are, it's not a like, oh my God, like I feel like this one could have had a lady or Santa, a decent Santa, but these are not bad. Do I have a clear snooze it? Currently the answer is no. I'll tell you why I don't have a snooze it currently, because I was thinking that this Mary Peace and Joy were crap, right? Because it's so small. But look at how big they are. These are big and these are great background. Like you can stamp it all over and you can just make a nice background. Like you can do some mixed media with it. So I'm curious to see what their content creators have did with this, because this is a really I'll tell you right now, my favorite one is probably this right here, the sled, this little Charlie Brown Christmas tree, and this pine cone situation, and the Christmas trees. So I don't have a the. This is probably a snooze it for me. I like this a lot, so I'm worried that it's not gonna work for me, but it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. We'll see what I come up with tomorrow. I'm very shocked by my interpretation of it going from like, it's not that great of a kid. It's called Festive Flair, but looking at it for what it's worth, it could be great because this could go with so many other things. Like this pine cone and these pine leaves could go with other things. Even these uh, snowflakes could go with other stuff. I do feel like they're taking pieces out and putting it in, but I think this would have been great with a lady on it or some coffee mugs. I really want them to do theme stuff like a fruit thing, oranges, grapes, strawberries. I think that's the way to go because they make great stamps. But anyway, that's for another day, for another story of what I think they should be doing. I don't own the company. I think the company is amazing. I just wish every kid of the month was knocked out the park, and I don't know if my commentary actually does anything besides make it seem like it's not a good company, and I do think it's a great company. Uh, they're very nice. Whenever I've called, I've never gotten a unpleasant employee. I've always gotten great everything, always top notch. So I'm not poo pooing on the company. I want a little bit more, especially for the price. So anyway, I want to say thank you all for watching. I'll see what I come up with tomorrow, and until next time, happy crafting.